his memory was like very short time. He could not, remember things, let it be school or general routine things. He used to miss on his noting homeworks, what has he done in school, like, what did you eat, what was served for breakfast in school. So he could not remember any of.
Before joining Quick Minds, he was like, we had quite a lot of difficulty like in reading, in writing, in spellings, in attention, a lot of things.
I got feedback from the school saying that she is not completing her work. She is mostly lost in her class, doesn't know what she is doing.
Places, counselors, got him counseled, and when I figured out about the problems he was facing, I was like not happy. I was taking him to the counselor from 3 o'clock till evening 7 o'clock. So that means daily 3.5 to 4 hours, where he was undergoing tuition. Each instructor for each subject was there, teaching him in a way he could understand, which would help him. And I did for almost 4 years. I was doing that, but that was not helping him 100%. So it helped him a little, but not as to an extent what we expected.
When she was 1.5 years, I was taking her to an occupational therapist. So it was always in the back of my mind, maybe something was not working with her. So I took her there and she started occupational therapy for a year or so. She did show some slight improvement, but it was very slow compared to her grades and the kind of teaching she had to undergo.
Started sending him to tuitions, but nothing was happening. Till the time me or my wife is sitting with him and giving him one-to-one, he is okay till that moment. But after that, half an hour, it's all blank again.
I was skeptical, but then I thought, let me try. I've been trying so hard since 2.5 years. So I started coming here. But once I came here, it was an eye-opening not only for my child but for me also. So now she can read, she started completing her work, and she is able to understand the lessons. And these days she is in standard 8 now, and she has got her geography, history, homework. She comes back, she reads the lesson and then tries to find out the question answers. So I started slowly, I don't look into her work on day-to-day basis, but I leave it to her and she has started completing that.
I have got wonderful results with Quick Minds. I believe after the first 20 hours session, we started noticing changes, and good changes. And it's been like he's completed one full session of 72 hours and there is a drastic change in him. He's done his exams well. He scored somewhere around 70%. Earlier he had no idea of what is going on in the class. Now he remembers things. He does his homework on his own. He does lot many things. It's just not the memory, but overall there is a drastic change in the personality. So I'm very happy with Quick Minds.
After the program, slowly, steadily I started seeing the change. It was not very sudden. It was very slow and steady. And initially he was like, it started building up his confidence. His improvement in vocabulary, in thinking, in patience, all these skills started. I could see all those things developing, and which I was trying to develop since long. And here I started noticing that change. And by the end of the session, there was such a sudden upward movement which I saw in him, and there I could see that yes, now what I wanted, where he should reach, he has reached that level.